Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about how to make low carb or keto friendly coconut macaroon. As I always say, please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you will get notified as soon as I upload a new video. So for today's video we need 100 grams of dried coconut flakes. Remember, this is not coconut flour but finely grated coconut flakes. And then we need one whole egg. Here I have 70 grams of erythritol, but if you use another sweetener you have to measure the right quantity that equals to 70 grams of erythritol. Here I have 40 grams of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of grated lemon zest and half a teaspoon of salt and some vanilla extract. Now I'm going to start mixing the ingredients. I will start with melted butter, lemon zest and salt. Now I'm going to add erythritol into this mixture. I will only add half of erythritol at the beginning. Make sure it's completely dissolved and then add the rest. The solubility of erythritol is less compared to the other sweeteners. So what I usually do is I make powdered erythritol using a grinder before I use them in the recipes. So now I added the egg. And again I'm going to mix it very well. This is not beating, I'm just mixing it very well with the fork. You can also use a whisk for this purpose. Now I'm adding half a teaspoon of vanilla extract to this mixture, and again I have to mix it well. As the last ingredient, I'm adding 100 grams of coconut flakes and then I mix until all the ingredients come together. When this mixture is ready, I'm going to use a scoop to scoop this mixture onto a silicone baking sheet. And I'm going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, our macarons are ready. So I want to still add some dark chocolate on top. So I'm going to let it completely cool down on a cooling rack. Meanwhile, I'm going to microwave my 85% dark chocolate at 750 watts for 3 minutes. Now my chocolate is melted and I'm going to pour it over my macarons. So I don't want dark chocolate on my counter space. So that's why I put a plate under the cooling rack. After adding chocolate, I'm gonna let it cool down further at room temperature for half an hour. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you will get notified as soon as I upload a new video.